channel. Good morning to all. Today I'm back with another beautiful thought of the day, and I'm showing how to present a thought of the day in the school assembly. So let's start. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I'm here to present you a thought of the day. Today's thought is, if someone is annoyed with you and he is saying bad things, if at that moment you question why he is saying such things, it's like pouring oil on a fire. I repeat my thought. If someone is annoyed with you and he is saying bad things, if at that moment you question him why he is saying such things, it's like pouring oil on a fire. This thought means if any person is irritating you or he's angry with you and that person is saying bad things, at that moment you better avoid that person. If you start arguing with that person, he will be more angry with you. Thank you. I hope you liked my thought of the day. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching this video. Bye. Have a good day.